Today we're going to learn how to get from this to this. To prep for this style, braid the entire head using either cornrows or box braid. The things you'll need are Ghana Passion Lock, Ghana Afro Twist bulk. You will need a crochet needle for both methods. For the box braid method, you'll use a crochet needle and run the braids into the loop of the locks and tie them together. Take a passion crochet lock and insert your crochet hook by pulling your natural braid through the loop. Now you can begin wrapping the crochet Afro Twist hair. To secure the locks, wrap the Afro Twist hair around the roots of the lock until it's secure. Realistic makes both of these products. They are available in many colors and lengths to match your style. Insert your crochet hook into the roots and pull the Afro Twist bulk through. Now you can begin wrapping downwards. This will definitely elevate the hairstyle, giving you a natural look. You can combine both methods for a natural finishing look. For the cornrow method, run the lock loop under the braid. Then run the end of the lock through the loop and make a knot. Wrap the Afro Twist hair around the roots the same way as demonstrated previously. Repeat this process until your style is ready. This is a protective hairstyle, pretty trendy and easy to achieve. Happy braiding!